Hello, this video provides a quick summary of the Guelph housing market stats for November of 2019. Below are some of the key metrics for the month relative to November of 2018. So let's go take a look. Median sales price was $520,000, which is up by 7.1% relative to the same time period last year. Median days on market is now at 23 days, which is up by 2 days. The total number of sales was 163, which is up by 4.5%, and the total number of listings was 231, which is down by 11.5%. Inventory is down and sales are up, which is a key indicator that we're still in a very hot seller's market in Guelph. And the 7.1% year-over-year sale price increase is also reflective of that. However, with the median days on market starting to creep up a little bit, we're starting to see that buyers are taking their time and making sure that they're selecting the right home for them. A full breakdown of the November market stats could be seen in the below link. Now, with such low inventory levels in Guelph, I expect that sellers will continue to obtain top dollar for their homes as we head through December and into the new year. Now, if you're thinking about buying or selling in the new year, now's a great time to start your planning. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks a lot and have a great day.